Hey there, folks. Let's go ahead and spend some time talking about the multi-ticket checkout functionality for the DaySmart Spa program. This functionality gives you the ability to combine tickets or transactions and check them out together if one person wants to pay for multiple appointments or transactions that show up in the system. Now, to get started with this, you actually cannot start the multi-transaction or multi-ticket checkout from the appointment book screen. You have to navigate to the checkout screen. And to get there, we're going to click on where it says checkout up at the top of the screen. And that's going to pull up a list of all of the appointments that are pending checkout here. And then all you got to do is click on the little checkbox next to the appointments that you want to combine. So I'll click on the first three here, and you'll notice that the group checkout button pops up over here. We can use that to advance to the group checkout screen. You can also see on the right hand side that the first person whose checkbox I clicked off is listed as the payer, meaning that they're the person paying for these other two appointments. You can go ahead and select as many appointments on this list that you would like. For our example, I'm going to go ahead and just select the first three. And if you wanted to change the person listed as the payer, just go ahead and click where it says select as payer on the right hand side. And you'll notice that the payer icon moves down to the second person. Click on it for the third person, so on and so forth. Now from here, the checkout process is going to be drastically similar. I'm going to click on where it says group checkout right here to advance to the checkout screen. And on here, you can see that Julie has this electrolysis service, right, listed on her transaction. And then Melissa Anderson down here is listed for this exfoliation treatment, and also Peter Klein listed for the back facial. If you wanted to remove one of these transactions from group checkout, click on where it says remove, and that is going to remove that transaction from the group checkout screen. You can also choose to add on additional items, right? Let's say I wanted to add on a product, right? So I'll click where it says product. It's going to ask me which client it is in reference to. Let's say that it is Julie that is going to go ahead and be buying that product for herself. We'll click on add. It's going to add the product in, and you'll see it under Julie's name. You can click here to change the pricing. Let's go ahead and add a price for that. You can also go ahead and add on a discount if you so desire before you move to the payment screen. Now let's go ahead and click on where it says proceed to payments, and we will advance to the payment screen where we can select the payment type. So you can click on any of these quick little buttons here. You could click on custom to pull up custom payment types. This is very, very similar, almost exactly the same as checking out any other transaction in the system. I clicked on cash. It pulls up the enter cash details screen, and I would just go ahead and reference that the amount shown here is the amount of the four items, right? The three combined transactions, one with two items on it. And you can see down here the total. So let's say that the person is paying $300 even. We'll hit add payment right here to add the payment in the system. You'll notice over here it calculates the change that's due back to the customer. And from here, we could just click on close ticket to go ahead and close all three of those transactions together. So it thinks for a second. It wants me to either enter email and email receipt or print the receipt. I'll click on skip receipt for our example. I can also go to rebooking screen, or I can go to the calendar. I'm going to click on the calendar to show you what it looks like. And here you go. Here's these two transactions here, and then the third one is up here, all checked out at the same time with Julie listed as the payer. Now, if you wanted more information about this part of the program or anything else about the system, feel free to visit our website, www.daysmartspa.com. Click on the Support Center to go ahead and read articles, watch additional videos, and find the contact information for the tech support team. I hope you found this information helpful, and have a great day.